One of the best ways to summarize your data visually is to create a chart. In this movie, I will show you two very quick keyboard shortcuts that you can use to create a chart on its own chart sheet or on the same sheet as the data that it came from. I will use the Create Chart workbook, which you can find in the Chapter 10 folder of your exercise files archive. So just to briefly describe what we have an Excel table with two columns, department and sales. And what I'd like to do is create a chart that summarizes that data. The first thing I'll do is create a chart on its own chart sheet. To do that, all I need to do is click any cell in the data, in this case cell B4, and press F11. Doing so creates a chart sheet that contains a chart summarizing the data. And that's really all there is to it. Now let's say that I want to create a chart on the same sheet as the data that it's based on. I'll go back to that worksheet, Q1. The keyboard shortcut to create a chart on the same sheet as the data it's summarizing is Alt F1. So hold down the Alt key and press F1, and I get a chart on the same sheet as the data that it's summarizing. Notice that both of these keyboard shortcuts created a column chart, and that is the default type of chart that you create in Excel. If you need another type of chart, you can either create one, and then on the Design Contextual tab, click Change Chart Type, or you can go through the controls on the Insert Ribbon tab and do it that way.